All right, guys, this is Callie Carroll, and I'm going to show you how to make your homemade Fitt Band. That's two T's, F-I-T-T band, of course. This is to promote strengthening of your transverse abdominis, okay? So your innermost, like most core, your the insides of your muscles, right? A lot of us get relaxed TVAs as time goes on. And we used to make these in gymnastics. And the reason why we would make it is to encourage us to pull our core in. So this is all about posture, right? And then I'll show you how to make it here. But you know how like some of us want to stand like this instead of like this. This is a matter of strengthening those muscles. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need. First of all, you're gonna have this 1 inch non-roll new whatever. You need elastic. You just find this at the grocery store or Walmart in the whatever, Target in the sewing aisle, all right? So it could be 1 inch, it could be 3/4, whatever. You're gonna need at least, I think it comes in a couple yards, whatever, because you wanna waste a little bit. So this 1 inch elastic, you're gonna need a pair of scissors, and you're gonna need either a sewing machine or a needle and some thread. If you don't sew, welcome. This is gonna be fun. It's a little thicker of a needle too. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the approximate size of the band. So I'm gonna stand for you guys here, all right? And I'm gonna take this band and I'm gonna wrap it around my waist while I'm pulling in my stomach. So this for me would be good posture, right? This is great for me to show you guys because I just had a baby 4 months ago. So, and these pants, they're like the best pants ever. But my stomach literally has gotten used to being out instead of in. So I'm gonna take this band and I'm gonna wrap it around me. I should have done this so you guys could see in the mirror here too, but I'll do it this way. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it around, not get the shirt, right around my waist where it feels comfortable. So if I'm not sucking in, or if I'm sucking in, it's gonna be like flush with my skin. Okay, so here you guys go. So if I'm pulling my tummy in, it's flush with my skin, okay? But then if I let loose, it does this. It pops out, and pops out on the sides a little bit. Okay, so that's just my estimated marker. I'm gonna overlap by about 1 inch, and then I'm gonna mark wherever that is with my fingers. So see how I have an overlap of about 1 inch? I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna cut that right there. Now it's gonna be easier to work with now that it's smaller. Okay, so now I have an estimated size of my band. All right, and if you guys are making a lot of them, like our people are making them together, one of you can do an estimated size and you guys can all find your right amount. You just don't wanna waste too much. So I'm gonna pull my Delightful Lulus down that suck everything in, all right? Because you're gonna wear this right around like basically your belly button area, wherever when you suck in, it's gonna do the most, okay? So here, now, I've got my tummy, let me show you guys this again. Okay, so tummy's sucked in, and when I suck in, now I'm not having any extra rolls or any extra things, right? But if I let loose, see what happens? Now I've got like a top layer, bottom layer. It needs to be a little bit tighter than that. So I want it to when I let loose, I want it to be uncomfortable. Like, you know how when you go to Thanksgiving, you're like, wear your big girl pants because you don't want anything flopping over. The purpose here is actually to make it flop over if you're not sucking in tight. And we don't wear tight shirts and tight clothes all the time. And even if we do, we might not be aware. So this is going to make us aware of that area of holding our core tight, training ourselves to actually engage that TVA on a continual basis, which is going to increase your strength. Okay, so once again, I've got my band. I'm pulling them tight. Hold on. Let loose. Hold tight. Let loose. Hold tight. Okay, so find where my tight spot is. I wrap this around. I'm going to look right where my band's going to be. And you can place this wherever it's going to be comfortable. Where are you going to wear it throughout the day? Mine's right below my belly button. So if I'm holding in tight, this is not helping with my pants like this, whatever. It's perfect. So if I'm holding it tight, it's gonna be right there. Let loose, it's gonna be like that. You guys see that? That's not comfortable to me. So it's just gonna encourage me to pull in tight. Okay, so now I know the amount of overlap that I'm going to sew right here. So I'm gonna mark it with my finger of where to pull this one over to, okay? So now, put your shirt back on, Callie. Put your shirt back on. Okay, so now I overlap it to the same area. Right here is where my band's gonna be, and I'm just gonna make it just a tiny bit tighter just in case. All right, now this is where I'm gonna sew my band together, and I'm gonna go in and out, up, over about 1 inch, down and over. And then I'm gonna cut off the slack that's left there. And then I will show you what this looks like. So let me start sewing real quick here. I'll just string these together. It's gonna be so good. Okay, threading my needle. What do we need, Russell?
9:30? 9:30. What airline?
Hold on, let me do one more stitch. I'm gonna look at my phone because I'm doing a video right now. All right, you guys, I was so fast. Sewing's not my forte, whatever. It doesn't matter what it looks like. Okay, so here's what mine looks like. I went around across the diagonal once and then I just locked it on the top. You probably don't have to do that. So I'm gonna cut this off like that. And then I'm gonna take my extra bits right here. I'm gonna cut that down like this. Boop. And now, you guys, maybe this little extra piece right here. I have the most sophisticated, amazing Fitt Band in the world. So this is how you do this. I just put this on. Da, 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 da. And then right here, when I'm holding my tummy in tight, it's ridiculous with my pants like this. When I'm holding my tummy in tight, it fits perfect. But when I don't, it fits like this. So it's gonna encourage me to pull my core in throughout the day or when I'm working out. So make yourself a Fitt Band if you so dare. That's it. I'm Callie Carroll. This is for another one of our ridiculous challenges that we do, AKA Fit Coach, igniting smiles, helping people feel more confident, healthier, happier, find more success in their lives. That's everything, you guys. I'm gonna go rock my Fitt Band for the day. Show me a picture of yours below, comment below. Maybe I'll produce them sometime. Maybe I won't, I don't know.